Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is a cool one. Today we're like in the jungle again with this awesome temple place. And I just found this thing on the ground. It's like these, you light it on fire, then they're like sticks. Take a torch. Take a torch. Take a torch. Like stab it in the ground. Leave it. I'm probably just gonna bring it, then get in trouble. They're gonna think I stole it. There's like a river over here. Then we're gonna go to the temple, if you can see over there. Probably not. It's so cool, huh? Dun dun dun. So many plants. Plants! So many plants. I have to face this way because sun. Hi, Brody. Brody.
What were you doing? Hello?
I'm filming it.
Oh God. No.
Brody vlogs. Brody vlogs. Oh yeah, I found this. Like my staff. My staff stands up. Look how good it is. I don't think we're supposed to go over here, but let's go. Dun 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 dun. Oh my God, I almost fell. Dun 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 dun. Please find it. I want to get a good. Please don't fall. Oh, so beautiful. So nice. So beautiful. Oh. Oh, that's so cool. Dun 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 dun. So cool. It's all the way over there. I'll zoom in a little. Oh, don't mind that guy. All the way over there. Then like he goes that way. And like it's over there. There's like 3 leaves. It's good. Don't see that. You didn't see that. Okay, and there's like free food. Lots of free food. Here, more free food. I can't get this free food. This free food sucks. Only the first free food. Ooh, more free food. Random people saw me. More free food. Free food! And I'll see you when we're about to walk over there.
Okay.
Peace! My wisdom broom. Almost fell like 20 times. My wisdom broom. I escaped with the security guy. I think that's one anyways. Oh, here's a river. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at holding with my wand. My wontons. No. It is. Water. My mom filming all over there. Oh yeah, I forgot to film the bridge because with my awesomeness, with my stick, my wand. Just saw my friends and stuff over there. That's why I stopped. Weird. Ow. And there's like a Quan. You know that song like Hit the Quan? There's a Quan right here. A Quan. Hi Quan. Hi Quan. Hi. Oh, okay. Bye. There's like fishies. There's a big fish. A fishy. Nope, he's gone. Turtles. Oh, almost fell. Don't fall, don't fall. Turtle. No, there's 2. Turtle vlogs. Turtle vlogs. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fall. I need my stick. My wand. My wand. My mom's vlogging. Vlog brothers, but she's a girl. But now she's a boy.
Yeah.
I'm tired. Just did the bell thing. I'm going up this sketchy trail. I can't go. Bodie's filming. Ah! Let me show you. I'm on my wand stick. So cool. A dead fish?
Yeah. The ones are eating them. It's only half of it.
What? Where? Where? Oh.
He's over
Where?
there.
Whoa.
Oh, they're like.
Oh, there's like shrimps eating him.
crab, shrimp eating.
Shrimp crabs. That's so weird. I need to get a good look. It's like shrimp crabs eating a dead fish. Oh my god. That's so weird. So weird. I need my wound stick. Do not feed bread to the kukoi. Bread harms kukoi. It's called kukoi. Well, so many fish. This is where all the fish hang out. Only one fish, two fish, one fish over there. So lonely. More fishies. No, this is the master's. Oh yeah, tomorrow we're watching that Star Wars movie, I think. I might do a sneak peek. Maybe not. Right up this trail. Oh my god. Oh, and yesterday's vlog, whenever I was trying to do cool shots, I was like leading. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't. And this is weird. This is the same day I went to that jungle thing that I was filming for yesterday's vlog. That was weird. This is weird because it's before I editing. This is really weird. It's like nothing here. Should I try climb across? It's super sketchy. It's like wet. Dad, I'm gonna climb across. Please don't fall. I'm like begging. I won't. Oh my. I think it's hard here. Run! Oh, almost up. Oh my god. I went over here. Wow. You know that pond river thing? Exposed. There's pipes. You see it? Pipes. It's fake! So fake! Oh my god, it's so slippery here. So many like trees. Ow! It stabbed me. This side is nice. Oh my god, I don't want to fall. Let me see my wand stick. Oh, I know where Bodhi could film me. That's gonna look cool. Right here. I know. It's moss. Surfing. Run ponds. One bonds. Don't fall. Oops. That's pretty nice here.
You don't want to drop your camera in there.
I won't.
What is that?
It's a bird. Watch these birds. Dang it. I wish the camera could like zoom in so much. Nope, I'm not going slow. I'm not going slow. It's like a cool temple thing. Right here. Oh my god. I'm so tired. I'm running. It's echoes. I don't know if the camera could hear this. Hear that that. Right now, I think we're gonna go over there. It's my wand. Bodhi vlogs. Bodhi vlogs.
No way, never.
Subscribe. Alright. He has a channel. It's gonna be right here. No, here. Go. Okay. Subscribe to him. Bodhi vlogs. It's not Bodhi vlogs. It's like Bodhi Skulton. I forgot. He only has one subscriber. That's me. He doesn't post any videos. I don't know why. It's like really good. Like super good. I used his camera for my channel trailer, which was awesome a couple of days ago. Up. My hair is having like the best day of its life. It's wow. I think I have to wait or something. My mom is vlogging. It's so loud. I'm just just trying to vlog you. Vlog. Vlog, Dad.
Careful. Keep that
I
pointed
won't
down.
poke you. I didn't poke
Nope.
anyone yet.
Yeah.
Yet. Change.
Point it down.
I am. My mom. Mom vlogs.
Palo, ¿para qué quieres ese palo, mi amor?
Por eso.
Ay, es un caballito.
Get out! She's like filming me with my stick. Oh no! I broke the tip. No. We're gonna go over there. Second, I'm just gonna take a break. I'm so tired. It's so nice here though. So nice. So nice! Camera's going here. Have to go.
Over here, you have to be further.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Do a montage right now since we're doing nothing right now. Yeah. Go. Hopefully you guys like that montage. Right now we're gonna go over here. It's supposed to be quiet. I'm gonna put my wand over here. My wand. My wand. There. It says right here. Before entering. Oh, Buddha. What temple? Okay. There. Let's go. What?
Do an incense.
What?
Go light one and stick it in there.
Then what do I do? What do, wait, let me show you. Wait, what is this? What's this? Wait. Wait. Let's use candle to light. Let's dispose of magic England. But okay. Hey, wait, no, we're on a light. Go, Dad, go. All of us are filming. You burned your hand. Ha ha. I'm gonna try. Here, Dad, film me, film me, film me, film me. Let me go.
Okay, don't burn your finger. And I'll blow it out and put it in.
¿Qué significa eso? Es que mi esposo vive en Japón.
It's Buddha, su Dios.
No, I broke it.
Okay, careful.
Oh, my bad. Ow. Ow. I burned my finger. Ow. How do you respect this temple? Please remove your shoes. I already did. Already did. Go, Bodhi. What's in there? What was it? That's so cool. I'll see you later. Peace. We finished! Finally, I could talk loud. It's so hard to not talk. Look, we're going in the store with my wand. Yeah, hold on. Let's go over here. I'll see you with the fish food. Peace.
Aloha. Miren este qué bonito.
Run! Dun, 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 dun. Do, 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 do. Ah, no!
Get out of the mud. Remember, it's muddy.
Do, 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 do. I don't remember.
Come in and feed the fish.
Fishies.
Do you want me to film you?
I'm gonna get that Quan. I remember Quan, friend.
And
No!
don't do it slowly.
Dang it! I spilled it. Okay, Dad, film me.
Let Bodhi. Okay.
Film me. Wait, you wanna film me? Feed the fish?
I'll do it, Chris.
Oh,
And he can do it with his camera.
okay, yeah. Hold, it's filming!
Okay.
Do good.
couple?
Oh, yeah. It's a-
Oh God.
What? You said a couple?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just be like my cameraman. Whoa!
They're so fat over here because they get fed all the time.
What if I touch it? Can I?
Uh-huh.
Touch the fish. Come closer, Dad.
Yeah, sit down and do it.
I'm gonna touch one.
Pet it.
Like big one. That's a big one. No. Hold on. I'll get this one. I know. A close one. I don't want to put my hand in that deep. Ah, ah, ah.
Put food on your finger.
Okay, I'll try that. Come on. Get it like this.
Definitely wash your hands after.
Yep.
Watch, they're gonna go crazy once they see it.
They're blind. Come on, there's food. Oh, going crazy. I want to get that Quan. Let's get that Quan action. Come on. Come on, Greenco. Get more of these fish. Who's a good swimmer? Go all the way over there. Oh, dang.
It's like piranhas.
There's a lot. I want to get this Quan.
Careful, go around this way.
Oh, ow! It's so hard. Ow! It's a meanie. I'm gonna throw it on your back. Now you can't get it. Huh? Hey, eat some food, Quan. Quan! Come on, Quan! Come! Here, fishy. I'm gonna try to touch it. Ew. Fish count. I'm gonna try to touch my fish. Yoink.
Hey, get some
I
more
touched
to
his
Bodie.
eyeball. Huh?
Give Bodie more fish food.
Buddy. Where's Buddy?
Alright, I'm gonna stop.
My hands are wet because I touched the fish.
Oh, really?
Chris, you have a lot. Give him more.
Oh. Film. You
Yeah.
filming?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, it hurts. Wait. Ow! Ow! Why? Ow! It's biting my finger. Ow! Here, eat that. I don't like them. So mean. Last time. Oh my god. Ah! I'm scared of these. Ah! Here's more. You want any more? Bodie, you want more?
Oh, yeah.
Here, take the rest.
Rest. Whoa.
Take that bag, Chris.
Here, let me wash my. This hand's good. Let me hold it.
Okay. Get away from the water.
Run.
We have to wash it.
Where's trash? Trash. Hello. I can't flip the camera with one hand. Trash. Done. Ah! Where's the bathroom?
Turn it off.
I'll be back whenever we're better.
Okay.
Peace.
Turn it off.
I washed my hands finally, and the light's horrible. Huh?
Ours is gonna look like when we're done. We have the exact same bench.
Really?
See how it's varnished?
Oh, it's so nice.
We have this bench.
We have this same bench, and like it's all broken. It's bouncy. Done.
It's really nice.
Ours is like broken. We bought it like for free. Like you didn't buy it if it's for free. Dang! These fishes are big. I saw a frog and it was making this weird noise. Where's the frog? I have to like go through the plants. Oh! Oh, no way! Dad, look, I found eggs! Eggs of frogs! Yeah, there's a fat frog right there. There's like eggs. Whoa! Frog, I'm not trying to harm you. Frog. What's that noise? I'm not trying to hurt you, frog. Can you guys see those? Can you? I think you guys can. If you don't, go see the doctor. I'm joking. That's so cool. Hi, frog. Is your name Jeff? Okay. There's like eggs. That's so cool. Like you could see it like perfectly. We found another frog. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's Bob. Bob. Hey, Bob. Hi, Mom. Hi, frogs. Ribbit. See? It's frogs. Froggy frogs. Please don't pick flowers.
Look, she has eggs.
Where?
The swan.
Where's the swan? Oh, there's a swan? Where? Where's the eggs? No way. Is that real eggs? What? You got no, move your fat wing. Oh, now it's sitting on it. Why? Why?
I got it, though.
Oh. Lucky. Oh yeah, there's frog eggs. Do you wanna see it? There's like, come.
Frog eggs? I've seen frog eggs.
No, it's cool.
Oh, wait.
Wait. No, come.
That's a frog?
Wait, come, I found.
Like a head of a turtle.
Where?
Here.
Oh yeah, there's more frogs over here. Come on, you have to see the frog eggs. I just found a funny frog. His head. It's not that. I just found his head poking out. It's right here.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? It looks like gel.
Yeah, it feels weird if you go with your hand to it.
Won't you kill it?
What?
Won't you kill the eggs if you touch it?
No.
Tell me some facts. School. cool facts.
Cool fact, I don't have any facts about frogs.
Okay, good. So it's boring. You're more boring. That's so cool. This place is huge. Actually, when I said there's a montage, there probably is, just to actually still have a lot filming to do. Oh, perfect view. Oh, and the mountains. I have to go right over here. Okay. Actually, I might end it off here. Yeah, I might. Let me get in a nice place. Run! Dun, dun, dun. Ow! I locked myself. Ow! Ow! Oh, it's so nice right here. Wait, will it? Nope. Is it good right here? I can't see. Hopefully it is. I'm gonna end off the vlog right here. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.